How to get Airbnb student discount codes. Now, in this video, I'm going to give you or provide you additional details or descriptions for you to be able to get discount codes for Airbnb student. Now, if you would like to use the student discount alone without a specific unique code, here's how. So instead of going into the Airbnb's official site, go into Airbnb student, which is going to be right here. Of course, there are going to be a requirements and eligibility features that you need to follow first for you to use and take advantage with this feature. Now, Airbnb is only offering up to 10% off stays to student age 18 plus who attend universities in selected countries. Now, discount will be for 12 months starting from the date you verified your student status. For verification process to become eligible for this discount, you just go into Uni Days. You need to follow the on-screen Uni Days verification prompts so that you will be eligible. However, if you would like to use only the codes, then you can go into the website that's going to be simply codes. Start by typing in Airbnb, choose on the first one, and here are the specific codes that you can use. If you prefer on 50% off, you can click this option here to say show code, copy it, and paste it into Airbnb's official website. And that's it. That's how you get Airbnb student discount codes.